Welcome to TeamBoard for Monday.com tutorial. In our last tutorial, we learned planning tasks for resources and teams effectively. Today we will learn managing resource capacity, holidays, and workloads. First, let's learn about working capacity. Working capacity is the total number of hours a person or resource is available to work each day. Only admins can configure these settings. By default, everyone is assigned to the default scheme. If you want to change this, go to Board Settings, Work Settings, Daily Work Capacity. The manual setting is the default working hours per day for all users. A scheme allows you to set capacity based on specific needs. To set a work capacity scheme for each member, go to App Settings, Work Capacity Scheme. Click Create Scheme. Name your scheme, select members or teams, set their working capacity, and then click Create. After creating, go back to the board. Hover over each member to see their assigned scheme. Each member can have multiple schemes, and admins can easily switch them. Next, let's talk about the holiday calendar. The holiday calendar lists the days when a resource will be off, meaning no work capacity for those days. If you try to plan a task on a holiday, a notification will alert you that the task falls on a day off. Holidays show up in red on the timeline. Admins can set up the holiday calendar by navigating to App Settings, Holiday Calendar, Create New Holiday. Add a calendar name and description. Choose assignees, then add holidays manually or import country holidays. A list of holidays will be displayed below. Click Confirm to finish. Now, let's understand scheduled hours and workload. Scheduled hours are the total hours planned for tasks each day. When planning tasks, the scheduled hours will show up with each task. To manage workload, click the Workload button. Workload is calculated like this. Workload equals scheduled hours per capacity hours. Workload is displayed in different colors: red, overloaded; yellow, underworked; green, full workload. If someone is overloaded, you need to redistribute tasks to balance their workload. Click the drop-down near their profile, adjust planned hours, or drag and drop tasks to another day or person. To view the total workload over a specific time frame, click on the timeline, select your desired time frame, and it will display the total workload along with a progress bar for each resource. TeamBoard makes it easy to manage resources. In our next video, we'll delve into managing tasks using Calendar View in TeamBoard. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.